and yet good shepherd, good watchman or sheep long now talk to me we walk behind this platform no week. So Jesus and good watchman or be good shepherd. So John chapter 10, Jesus again Kitoko said, Emi this blood shepherd. Now I'm got one kind of you today. Now you must sabi long walk along the shepherd. Or say Jesus he make it. You may come up all hang na leg long God. Now you may make him walk belong him. You may must behind him passing along him, na come up with wasman one kind him. Sa pla scripture you may know written. So them look long him past time. What reading Lord today, come to book song chapter 16. Emi toko say, God, Emi look at him or something is stop inside from life from you me. Emi look out in you me that time heavy come up. God you walk about one time you me. Emi stop inside from the elder you me. Now you know enough losing there. And you also one platform who's sabi behind you, no one day. Now I'm supporting you, now I'm sabi along you, or saying for man through. Now reading, come along, let's go Matthew chapter 5. Now along this lahat, and we give him talk fixa, long heaven. And one line, talk long blessing, na mari, God by giving, so kind man Mary.